Hey guys, so here to talk about the two trades that I took. We are green for the day, a little over $1,000. I'm a bit annoyed with myself because there's about three trades that I tried entering or tried sneaking back in, and they all would have worked. So I kind of costed myself about another 1,000. But I'm gonna go ahead and walk away with just 1,000. I can feel myself somewhat getting frustrated because I know I left money on the table, and that's never a good mindset to have, especially if I'm already green. There's no point in sticking around and possibly losing it, so I'm gonna walk away. It's been a pretty decent week so far. Monday Monday we actually were down quite a bit. We're able to make most of it back to come out near break even. We did end up red. I don't remember the exact amount. And then Tuesday we were up small. I think it was something like $300 or $400. Yesterday I had recorded yesterday, and we ended. I think it was something like $600. However, uh, I don't know how I saved my settings or what happened. I did have to update my Streamlabs, so that may have been it. But a lot of the stuff was real bugged out, and it didn't record a lot of my. I don't know if Ninja Trader just. I don't know. I honestly, I just don't know. And the audio, the footage didn't really come out well. It came out real grainy, real buffering. I mean, it still might be like that on this one, but. And then obviously we have today's recording, so let me get through kind of what we saw. So we had a huge, even since yesterday, it looked like we failed to kind of break this level. Here's our gap from the overnight. This orange one. And then we kind of just spilled down into this channel, broke it, expecting a new low of this. Spilled into another one, broke it. You're expecting a new low on the way over there. However, this was my first trade, and you guys will see the footage. I think there's still one or two other trades that I tried taking. Just either didn't have the guts to pull it, like this one here. I should have kind of a breakout pullback. This was another one, I believe. If you see me using it, I was really annoyed by not taking this one here. It's a second entry short off the EMA. It's a pullback to the trading range. I mean, you just see it works so well. This one actually was a bit more aggressive because we were close to the bottom of this trading range, but I fully expected it with us having a failed breakout. You expect to break down. And then I didn't trick a trade for a while. There was one that I wanted. I want to say before I fully had this channel proven. I want to say I had it because I was still expecting, if you guys saw, I had a larger channel here, so I was still expecting maybe a new low of this. Trying to look at, there was one I had really thought of entering. I think the problem was it was above the EMA, but I kind of, oh, it's this one right here. It was taking this bar. So you had a first entry long, second entry long, as well as a first entry short, second entry short. And I kind of wanted to get here because it also would have been, I mean, 4 points or so, 4.5 points. I didn't really want to risk all that. And once you get that second, third, fourth, you start just getting this confirmation of this trend line with all these hits on it each time. Then we get a huge leg up. And then we start chopping in here. You guys see me take this final trade. As a matter of fact, as I was working on this video, we had this setup form, and I tried to sneak back, and you see it just kind of took off. It took off and then came back, and I didn't want it after that. So again, even after all that other stuff I missed, I still had another chance to go right again. So missed some more. We do finally have a break of this channel, so you're gonna expect this to kind of have a failed second entry short and go up. But I'm kind of, like I said, I'm done for the day. It's 11:30 my time. You can't really see it there, but it's 11:30 and kind of ready to get out of here. Ready to go inside and cook up some lunch and go to the store and run some errands, right? It's the beauty of being able to be a trader. Hopefully one day doing this full time. Just more of being at home with your family. So, obviously making, decent profit is fine, but we gotta keep working at it. That's all I got for today. So pretty content, I guess, overall with taking the 2 trades. Like I guess I'm just more upset with myself, and this is why I kind of do these videos. It's more of a psychological thing for myself. But I'm a bit annoyed that, man, I saw like 5 or 6 after these last couple weeks that trading is just there's really not many setups throughout the day. I felt today there was probably 4 or 5 that were just great, and either I was too scared to pull the trigger, or I kind of wanted too good of a price and the market left me with the limit order. But yeah, this was, I guess, also just this was the type of day that I've been waiting for really all week. These kind of trending days, and in my opinion, and it's gonna sound bad, or it's gonna sound, but to only make $1,000 off of it, granted I was trading for contracts, but to only make $1,000 off of it, it's just a missed opportunity. As I mentioned, just leaving some money on the table. I mean, obviously it's always better than being red. Anything's better than being red. So keep that in mind, and just, it's the psychological journey that as a trader, right, we often find ourselves going through. I hope this was somewhat useful. I hope everybody has a good day, and I didn't even explain this trade. I'll go through it real quick. So obviously we kind of break this channel. We're still expecting a new high of it. We go into this trading range. We get a micro double bottom here. I called it right off the EMA because EMA was somewhat still kind of forming, and it pushed off. You could say it is under the EMA, but at this point, right, we're in a trading range. The EMA doesn't matter as much. The main thing is we did hold this key level. We closed above the key level. As you can see, it just pushed pretty strong. So as you can see, we're gonna work our way back into this channel now. I mean, this is what maybe we'll go back, but you're gonna expect to push here, come back down, come over the moving average, and then we push up one more time. It's kind of the main expectancy, but I'm not gonna stick around for that. All right, everybody, have a good rest of your day.